everyone. Let's practice our letter sounds. Remember, some letters make more than one sound. That's why you'll notice on this sheet, some of the boxes have been divided in two. If you see me do this movement with my hand, it's because that letter has a second sound, or in some cases, a third sound. Repeat after me. Ant. Ape. Bat. Cat. City. Dog. Egg. Eel. Fox. Gum. Giraffe. Hat. Ink. Ivy. Jam. King. Log. Mop. Net. Odd. Oval. Pig. Quiz. Run. Sun. Nose. Tap. Up. Utensils. Vet. Win. X-ray. Xylophone. Yam. Fly. Baby. Zip. Remember to be very clear with your sounds. Don't add an extra vowel. For example, when you say the sound for T, don't say ta. That would imply there is a U afterwards. Be very careful to say t. Same with the letter D. Don't say duh. Be careful you don't add a U sound after it. Make it sound like this, d. For all of your letters, practice not adding extra vowels. Just make the letter itself. Practice every day before you read. See you later.